So a food forest is a perennial food system. Plants that are native to the area, mostly, not all, and will come back year after year, either herbaceous that can reseed and spread themselves, or woody, multi-year plants. And so the goal of a food forest is to get a lot of food in one area. It's got many different species and many different layers.
My role in this project has been to support it with some of our students who have worked on planting things. We had a student who was doing an internship with me last summer, and she was able to put in a lot of these trees and help us fence. We've planted rhubarb, we've planted blueberries, raspberries, currants. In Madison County, we have a high number of deer, and so we do really need to fence this whole area.
Fencing is not to keep people out, it's to keep the deer out. And so this needs to be both a welcoming space for our students and campus community as well as the local town community. And so all are welcome to come and share in the harvest as this space develops. When the food forest is fully operational and essentially running itself, there'll be almost no grass in here.
So we'd just like to thank you in advance for your gift.
We look forward to seeing both our vegetation and our community flourish with your support.